Has this ever happened to you? You reach for your wallet, and that sinking feeling hits. Your Chime card is gone. Whether it was stolen from your gym bag or you simply dropped it somewhere, the panic is real. You're probably thinking, what now? Is my money safe? How do I even start to fix this? Well, take a deep breath, because you're in the right place. We're going to walk you through exactly what you need to do, step by step, to protect your money and get back on track. The very first thing you need to do, the absolute priority, is to freeze your card. And don't worry, you can do this instantly, right from the Chime app. Just go to your settings, find the freeze your card option, and toggle it on. This immediately blocks all new transactions, stopping any potential thief from making purchases with your card. It's like putting a big, digital lock on your account. Once your card is frozen, the next step is to report it as stolen. Within the Chime app, you can order a new card. Chime will then cancel your old card permanently and ship you a brand new one with a different card number. This is crucial because even if you find your old card later, it's no longer a risk. Reporting it also helps Chime's security team monitor your account for any suspicious activity that may have occurred before you froze the card. Now, you might be wondering about those missing funds. If you notice any unauthorized transactions, you need to dispute them immediately. You can do this directly through the Chime app. Just select the transaction and follow the prompts to file a dispute. Chime's fraud protection team will then investigate the charges. This process can take a little time, but by acting quickly, you give yourself the best chance of getting that money back. The last piece of advice is to check your statements and transactions regularly, especially after a card is stolen. Even if you've frozen and replaced your card, it's always good practice to keep a close eye on your account for a few weeks just to be extra safe. Setting up transaction alerts in the Chime app is a great way to stay on top of this. Losing a card is stressful, but with Chime's in-app tools and a quick response, you can minimize the damage and secure your funds. Remember, freeze it, report it, and dispute any fraudulent charges. Taking these steps promptly is the key to protecting yourself. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.